I'm so nervous.
And the fans are on their feet awaiting the start of this game as the players line up for the kick. He really got a hold of that kick.
Go, 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 go. That's my white guy. That's my white guy. What a return. What a return. Hold on, Pete's fixing something and I can't see the chat. Get out there. Oh. Got tripped up. Got tripped up. Stick to the game plan. I keep saying stick to the game plan. I have no game plan. My game plan is to just fucking fling it. So I don't know why I keep saying stick to the game plan. There is no game plan.
From the 31-yard line, it's second down.
Oh, he's open.
Tackle at about the 23-yard
Let's go, boys. Stick to the game plan. Skip to the game plan. Stick to the game plan. There is no game plan, but you got to stick to it. Doesn't matter. Just because there's no game plan doesn't mean you can't stick to it, right? Right?
They come out in a 5-wide set.
Right there. I'm seeing the field, boys. I'm seeing the field.
Not a real fancy play here, just a smartly run route.
I'm seeing the field.
And a well-placed ball. Most times you don't need much more than that.
Seeing the field. Seeing the field. There it is. I'm seeing the field. That's a drive. That's a drive. First quarter, Doug's is back. First quarter, Doug's is back. That was a great drive. Oh, everything worked. Everything worked. Go, get him. Oh, no, I jumped with the wrong guy. Oh, what are you doing? What are my guys doing? I jumped with the wrong guy, hit B, and then jumped. Oh, fuck. That was so bad. That was so bad. That was so bad.
And down he goes at the 11-yard line.
That'll make it second and inches.
He's going left.
Fuck.
Right to the receiver, touchdown.
All right, bad start on D. Bad start on D.
From front to back, the line needs to put more pressure on the quarterback, and the defensive backs need to stick it to these receivers with tighter coverage.
Damn it.
That play was sort of out of sync from the start, but you have to also recognize that
Gotta get back on track. Gotta get back on track.
They read it from the get-go.
They'll line up at the 11. It's second down.
That was a great pass by me. Fuck yes. I'm seeing the field passing wise, boys. I'm seeing the field passing wise. I'm telling you right now. This guy is seeing the field when it comes to passing.
From their own 38-yard line, it's first down.
That's just fucking good stuff. Some great routes being run. Some great routes being run. Keep the pressure up.
From the 50, first down. A quarterback in the gun with 5 receivers.
Yes! I'm fucking seeing the field! I'm fucking seeing the field! I'm 10 for 10, baby! Holy shit, am I seeing this field? I'm locked in right now. Gunnar Wesson, baby. Gunnar Wesson is having a night.
First down. Defense trying to prevent any more damage. First and goal inside the 5. And he tackles him hard at the 3.
No gain. That brings up second and goal.
Shit. Shit. I hate this. I hate this. This is when I can't score. Get there, Ricky Squeaks. Oh, fuck.
No gain. That makes it third and goal.
Here it is, folks. Third and goal from the 2.
Yes! Ricky Squeaks, baby. Yes, Ricky Squeaks. Ricky motherfucking Squeaks, also known as Richard Butt Cheeks. Post that, Jake. Throw that tighter.
The scoreboard lit up in that
I gotta throw that
15
tighter.
minutes.
I gotta throw that
Texas
tighter.
front, 14-7.
Okay. Gotta get back on schedule. That was an off-schedule play. Shouldn't have gone deep. But now I get back
And we're
on
ready for
schedule.
more football
Ricky
here
Butt
in quarter
Cheeks.
number 2. Texas Tech up 7 points.
Nope. Oh no. No, 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 no. Why did you throw that? Why did you throw that? Oh, I knew that was a good fucking interception the second I threw it. I don't know why my brain does those things. My brain just stops. Why do you do that to yourself? Why? I gotta play Red Zone D. Come on.
They need about 3 yards to get the first here on second down.
Why do you do that? You're so stupid.
He steps out at the 3-yard line. White picks up only about 2 yards with that grab.
Well, they got to him in a hurry, but it was just a little bit too late. That's a nice first down pass.
Like, why do you do that? You're so dumb. I knew the second I threw it, too. I knew the second I threw it.
And we'll see how aggressive this defense is when they come back out. I wouldn't be surprised if they kept up the pressure.
I'm done running the ball. I'm done running the ball.
And the halfback's got nowhere to go.
That makes it second and 10.
That was my last run of the game.
They line up at the 14. Second down. Going right to his tailback. And he's hit before he can go anywhere.
Yeah, I do it on purpose. What the fuck is that supposed to mean? I suck on purpose. I can suck just fine by myself trying as hard as I do. Okay? Thank you very much. I'm more than competent to suck on my own. That probably didn't come out correctly.
Catches it, and he's looking for more. Brought down at the 38-yard line. From their own 38-yard line, it's first down. Completes it across the middle. And they make the stop around the 37-yard line.
Clock. 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 Clock.
From the 37-yard line. First down. Complete. Brought down. Nothing doing.
That's good for a gain of 2 yards. That makes it 2nd and 8.
What a pass.
Look out. Nobody there. That's a great tackle at the 14.
I'm running that play again. Fuck it. I'm running that play again. I'm running that play again. I don't care what the haters say. I'm running that play again. That play is my fucking favorite.
From the 14-yard line. First down. Caught open.
What are you doing, Ricky Squeaks? You're holding the guy up.
The 8-yard line.
That'll make it 2nd and 4.
Run it again. Till they stop it. Till they stop it. Oh my god, that was bad. That was stupid. That was stupid.
Probably should have been picked
That was
off.
stupid.
There's a blanket around that receiver. Somebody else had to be open.
They're about 4 yards away here on 3rd down. He's scrambling.
Why didn't I throw it? Why didn't I throw it? Just throw it there.
So the quarterback scrambles for about a yard.
God damn it. Take the points. Fuck that. Come on,
Fourth down,
Doug's.
and the offense is still on the field.
Wide open. Ricky Squeaks. That's aggressive football. That's aggressive football. That's aggressive football. Hell yes. I didn't get my play in. I didn't get my play in. Oh
7
no.
yards to go. 7 yards for the touchdown. Scrambling around.
No. Yes. What a stop on the goal line.
7 yards on the scramble.
Fuck. Now they're going to go for it. I'm calling a timeout.
Tech's gonna take their first time out of the half.
I spilled on myself. I don't know when.
And the goal line defense digging in here.
Get a push, boys. Yes! 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 Goal line stop! Fuck yes!
Great job to pin him up and cause the
I gotta
turnover.
score. But I can't throw a pick. I cannot throw a pick. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
I think this
What do
defense
I do?
now needs somebody to
What
try
do I
to lift
do?
up their spirits. They seem to really
I have
be
to
just
try to
out there
score.
kind of going through the motions. And I think the last time
No.
they were out there when they gave up such a long
That was a bad
drive
pass.
has had an impact and an effect negatively on the psyche of this defense.
That makes it 1st and 10.
Texas
I have to try to score. 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 Come on, boys. I have to try to score. I have to try to score. Oh.
The receiver that falls
Great throw by the quarterback, but to be fair, that was pretty good coverage.
I have to try to score. I have 2 timeouts. I have to try to score. I have to try to score.
Second down. So an empty backfield with 5 wide receivers.
No!
Safety with the interception.
Oh, no! Fuck! All right, I had to try to score. 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 Shit. That was a good drive. That was a really good drive. Terrible read, but a great drive.
3rd and 10. Ball on their own 25.
Get in there. Yes! Yes!
Very stern effort there by the defense. They weren't giving up anything on that series.
That was huge. That was fucking huge. Now I have to score because I know Texas is going to be coming in the second half. And I kind of, can I say something? Can I say something, guys? I kind of want to go deep. 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 Let's go deep. I kind of want to go deep. I kind of want to go deep. I kind of want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to go deep. I want to go deep. I'm going to go deep.
He chucks it downfield.
Go. Oh my God, he was there.
The defensive coordinator down
Catch
on the
it, dude.
sideline,
Catch
wiping the
it.
ball down there. They just caught a big break that time because the
Oh
quarterback
my
overthrew the ball.
God. He had that. He had a step. He had a step.
Second down, 10 yards to go. Ball on their own 43. Texas Tech is up by a touchdown.
Oh shit. Nowhere. I learned how to throw it away today, but I don't know how to throw it away. If that makes sense.
Pressure from the right direction, and it seemed to confuse the offense.
Third and long now after the sack.
I don't know how to throw it away, but I learned how to throw it away. Again, I don't think that makes sense, but it does in my head. No.
What's it all?
Fuck.
Shot at the pick.
Yeah, the quarterback's breathing
Terrible
a huge
drive.
sigh of relief
That's what happens
because
when I
he
go
got away
deep
with
on the
throwing what
first
should have
fucking
been an
play.
interception.
Remind me never to do that again. Every time I get up, I get so confident that I'm always going to be up, and it never stays that I'm up. I never stay up.
He gets it away. And this is a
It's
really,
crazy.
really nice punt.
Every time I go up, I'm like, ooh, I'm going to be up forever. And then... They're driving. 3rd and 10. Come on.
Third down now. They need to get it down to the 37.
Screen.
Over the middle to his tailback.
Yes. Way to sniff it out, boys.
Taken back a yard.
Pretty good stand there. They weren't fooled at all by the offensive play call.
Screen. All right, guys. Drive time. No more deep. Drive time. Drive time.
He'll try to knock this punt down inside the 20.
Shank. Shank.
The staff has got a winner on their hands. You've been around kids like this. They're just fun to be around.
They're fun to be around, and I think it's infectious. His attitude, I think, permeates throughout this entire offense and really throughout the entire team. It's no wonder this team is so competitive with him at the front leading the way.
So you wonder what kind of excitement we'll see this time around. Texas Tech is up a score.
Ricky Squeaks. Good run. Good run. Good run.
That brings up 2nd and 5.
Good run, Ricky Squeaks.
From their own 35-yard line, it's second down.
I'm running the ball.
They'll line up with 5 wide receivers.
Go, Ricky Squeaks. What a hole.
He's at midfield. Tackle made at the 41-yard line.
Look at that. I'm running the ball. Yeah, I told everyone I wasn't running anymore, so Texas didn't think I was going to run it anymore. It's called mind games. Learn a mind game. It's called mind games. They weren't looking for the run because I said I was abandoning the run. And then, boom, I hit them with the run.
From the 41-yard line, it's first down.
I got to let that develop more. I got to let that develop more.
You don't need to make the highlight reel on each play.
That makes it second and 6.
Man blitz. Oh, how does that... That's bullshit. That DB, come on. Come on. Come on. Get out of here with that bullshit.
Third down now, they need to get it down to the 31.
Yeah, I throw across my body. Who cares? I'm Gunnar Wesson. Oh.
Great pressure on the quarterback forced that incompletion.
Boy, they really pounded him on that throw.
Fourth and 6.
I should have kept running it.
Texas Tech up 7 points.
No. Fuck. 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 Fuck.
But not a smart throw from the quarterback.
I knew it was a bad pass right when I threw it again. Stop doing that. First and goal. Every time I think I'm good, I'm not good. How? I had 21-14 and I had 2 possessions to fucking score and I didn't do anything. What a joke. See, you thinking what I'm thinking, boys? Thinking what I'm thinking? Fucking go deep. Let's go deep. Let's go deep. Come on. One time, go deep. One time, have it work.
5-wide set, and the defense counters with their dime look. Wants to go long and
Shit.
no, incomplete.
I'm addicted to deep. Air Dogs is addicted to going deep, and he can't fucking do it. I can't hit. I'm gonna hit one. I have to hit one.
Second down and 10 to go. Ball
I have to hit one. Ricky Squeaks! Go! Go, Squeaks, go! Go, Squeaks, go! Juke!
He gets hit out of
Ricky Squeaks, let's go!
And a big pickup through the air has made it first and 10.
Fourth quarter, put the 4s up, put the 4s up, put the 4s up, put the 4s up.
So at the end of 3,
I need a break.
quick strike and it's
Yes!
touchdown.
Yes! Guns up. Wreck 'em. Just read the fucking hat. Wreck 'em.
Driver's seat right now, offensively. Third down, and they need to get it to the 15.
3rd and 6, come on. Get in there.
He tries to buy some time.
Where's my guy going? Where are you going? It's a great fucking defense. Where were you going? He had him. He had him. Where were you going, dude? Get in there.
Lets it fly.
Pick that.
Intercepted.
Yes! Fucking interception!
Really didn't need that.
Interception in the end zone. He better have been in. He better have been in. Don't fuck me now. Don't fuck me now. Don't fuck me now. Interception.
From their own 20-yard line. First down.
All right. All right.
Texas Tech is up 7.
Great hole. Great read. Great read, Ricky Squeaks. This is the drive. This is the drive. This is the drive. No. No, this is not the drive.
From their own 24-yard line. Third down. Quarterback all by himself in the backfield with 5 wideouts.
Great play call. Great play call.
Nice looking play that time.
Well, the defense was blitzing here. And
I gotta get some clock going. You're right. Everyone's right. I gotta get clock. Run the clock. Everyone's right. Run the clock.
Tackle outside after a nice pickup.
Gain of 6 yards. That'll make it 2nd and 4.
I'm gonna go deep. I wanna go deep. I gotta go deep once.
They're about 4
I gotta
yards
go
away
deep
here
once. I
on
gotta go
second
deep
down.
once. I gotta go deep once.
And they're gonna put 6
I gotta go
defenders on the
deep.
field
I gotta
to
go
counter
deep.
that
I gotta go
5
deep.
receiver look.
I'm gonna go deep. I'm gonna go deep.
He rolls out to the right.
No.
Deep ball, and he's got a man open.
Oh my God.
Intercepted.
I had Y wide open. wide open. How stupid was that? I had Y wide open. Stop doing stupid things. Y was wide open.
Try to convert on 3rd down. Just over 2 minutes in the game.
Squeaks.
Goes complete. He's got
Squeaks.
one. And down he goes, right around the 46-yard line.
Impressive game there by the do-it-all back.
The Longhorns will use their first time out of the half.
All right, let's run some clock, boys. Let's end this game right now.
Here's the 8th play.
One more first round, and I have this game, and I'm on a 2-game winning streak. Ricky Squeaks, you beast! What a push! Be smart, be smart. Everyone remind me. Be smart, be smart, be smart. Everyone remind me, be smart. Just be smart.
It's 2nd and 6. Ball on
Be
the
smart.
42-yard line.
Don't stop saying deep. Stop saying deep.
Up the middle for a nice game. Texas will use their final timeout.
Stop saying deep. Stop saying deep. Stop it. Stop it.
So it's 3rd down, and they've got about 2 yards to go.
Yes.
Carries the ball for a nice gain.
Is that game? Can I win this game by not going anymore? Fuck yes. What a win.
And this is the 11th
What a
play.
win. A lot of adversity in this game. A lot of bad fucking plays by me. That goal line stop was huge.
He's tackled at about the 25-yard line. The offensive line got a really good push there, allowing the back to pick up 9 on the play.
Haters can't believe it. Doug's is back on track. 4-2. 4-2. Look at this drive.
Just over a minute in the
4-2, baby. Now I'm going for style points. Now I got to try to get it. I got to get it. I got to get a touchdown. Style points. Style points matter. It's BCS era. Remember that. Style points matter.
First down, 10 yards to go. Ball on the 19-yard line.
No.
Slings it out and gets to
That
it.
was stupid.
And instead of taking
That
a
was
knee, they
stupid.
throw an
That was really
incompletion.
stupid.
Bizarre choice.
I agree. That was
Very
stupid,
bizarre,
everyone.
Because that stops the clock. I'm not sure whose decision that was.
Yeah, that was my decision. That was stupid. I thought I could get it in there.
Rolls right. He's got to throw it.
Oh, I tried to throw it away.
Bring him down for a sack on the play.
All right, I'm done.
12 yards. That'll bring up 3rd and long.
The Red
Style
Raiders
points. Need
taking
style
their
points.
first time out of the half.
One more play. Style points.
So again, a 3rd down as the offense lines up. 5 wide. He's looking
Style
for
points.
6. Makes a catch in the end
Style
zone.
points. Yes. Let's go. People said I couldn't throw left. People said I couldn't throw left. Suck it, haters. Fucking suck it. Yeah. Suck it. Back on track, baby. Back on track. I'm going to go for 2. Gotta go for 2. Style points, go for 2.
And the quarterback stays on the field.
Style
as they
points,
try
go for
the
2.
2-point conversion.
Style points, go for 2. Hell yes.